Again, welcome and thank you early in the morning. You've represented the US airlines now since 2007, and you've seen enormous developments and changes over that time, not least, if I may say, in the differing positions of administrations, US administrations over the last 10 years or so. Where does the US now stand? I mean, we've seen the Biden administration come in, and the first act they did was rejoin the Paris Agreement. What does this all stack up for, and how are the US airlines addressing this issue of aviation and climate change?
Well, thank you, Paul. I would say we're very, very in line with the types of comments that Jonathan and Michael made. The U.S. airlines have remained fully committed to the climate agenda. And I think, as Anne said, it's also heightened by having been through the COVID crisis, and still we're obviously in it. But climate is further recognized by everybody as a necessary responsibility for everybody. And our new president focuses so much on Build Back Better, and that is really where we are. So we really start from that foundation of having this long-term commitment with the rest of the industry on strong climate goals. And in the United States, we've focused so much on fuel efficiency, with our member airlines improving it 135% since 1978, saving, over 5 billion metric tons of CO2. So we have a relatively small footprint. But to your point, we remain fully committed to really pulling on those levers: technology, operations, infrastructure, sustainable fuel, and the like. Our CEOs had an opportunity to meet at high levels with the administration officials recently and really welcomed their embracing of integrating the climate agenda with a recovery agenda, and thinking of it in terms of innovations and levers that can be pulled to really move forward. Also, there was mutual recognition of the U.S. reentry into the Paris Agreement, but also, very importantly, 2 climate agreements agreed during the Obama administration, when now President Biden was vice president, the carbon offsetting reduction scheme for international aviation, and the first of its kind carbon dioxide standard for aircraft. So we remain fully committed to that, and we're really pleased to see the new administration embracing, maybe it's a back to the future kind of thing for us, and we're very excited.
Good. Well, it's good to hear that things are still progressing.